Now let's understand Python Lambda function setting. What are Lambda functions? What are its advantages? What are its advantages? How to create Lambda functions? Okay. So Python Lambda functions are anonymous functions. Means a function without a name is called anonymous or Lambda function. Every Lambda function declared using keyword called Lambda. Every Lambda function in Python declared or created using Lambda. So Lambda function definition we write it like this. Lambda, no function name. It is expecting one parameter. In this function, it is expecting one parameter. You can create a function with multiple parameters. Then this is business logic. This is business logic. And important to note, in Lambda function, we write implementation only in single line or one line. You cannot exceed more than one line of implementation. Python Lambda functions, we can write implementation only in single line. Only in single line. And result we are storing into variable called variable. Okay. So let me write one Lambda function. In this Lambda function, we are taking one variable. We are performing square. Result we are storing into one variable. Let's implement this one. This is Lambda function definition. Lambda function definition. Okay. Then I want to call this Lambda function. Let's observe how we are calling Lambda function. My Lambda function expecting one variable. That's why I am taking input from user in Lambda function call. Then I am printing that value. Then I am calling this variable. I am calling this variable, but whatever value we passed, this value passed to x variable. You are calling this variable, parameter is passed to Lambda function. Here it performs square operation. Result it is going to store into square, nothing but this one replaced with result. Okay, let me execute. I am entering value 5, then it will return square of value 25. Clear writing? So I created a Lambda function with single variable. Next example, I am creating Lambda function with two parameters. So I am creating Lambda function with two parameters. Let's see implementation here. In this Lambda function, I am taking two parameters. Then I am writing condition saying x value greater than y, return x. If y value greater than x, return y value to big. Then I am writing Lambda function call. I am writing Lambda function call. In this Lambda function call, I am taking two parameters. Then I am calling this big variable. Nothing but these two parameter passed to Lambda function. then it will return biggest value. Now let's execute this one. Shift enter. I am passing 10. I am passing 5. Now it is going to return 10 is a big number. Let's rerun this one. First parameter I am passing 5. Second parameter I am passing 15. So it is returning big is second parameter. So clear, right? We can write a lambda function with multiple parameters, but definition should be within a single line. Result we are storing into variable. That variable we are calling from our lambda function call. So whatever parameters we pass to that variable is going to pass to lambda function. Lambda function going to replace with variable value. Okay, clear writing? How to write lambda functions in Python?